Hello, I'm in a 2018 Kia Forte, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your device interface. So first, you're going to want to start the vehicle and wait a few moments for everything to load. In the meantime, on your device, you're going to make sure the Bluetooth symbol's on, showing it's on your phone. And usually holding the symbol opens your Bluetooth menus as well. So then from your main interface, you want to make sure it's on, and then go to phone options, which it's already on. So if you're on something else, you just go to phone, and then it's already prompting we're going to add new. And a lot of times you have to delete a device to make room for new devices, just because there's a limited number of storage. So now that we're in the prompts here, we're going to turn on scan so you can search for new things, and we're looking for Kia Motors like it says here, which it does. So I hit that and it's starting to pair. And you just wait a few moments. Now it's going to have this random passkey which matches, so we'll hit pair, and then that should be it. It might prompt you sometimes if you want to download phone books, things like that. But now you should be set up for phone calls, listening to music, things like that. Some models, it also links navigation and whatnot. And if you're having issues, sometimes you have to try 2 or 3 times resetting your phone or the car. Just technology, unfortunately. Or you could also potentially try your voice commands. Usually you can find them on the steering wheel. And then same thing, you just walk through voice options to try to get to Bluetooth, add devices, add phones, delete devices, etc. And it should usually you can walk through that way as well. Easier to use the touch screen for sure. And then some models, it won't let you do these things while driving, so you might have to be in park for it to work. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.